Today's video is about volcanoes around the world, eruptions and impact. Volcanoes, formidable forces of nature, have been shaping the Earth's landscape for millions of years. From towering peaks to hidden ocean vents, these geological wonders play a crucial role in the planet's dynamic processes. This video explores the diverse volcanoes around the world, their eruptions, and the profound impact they have on the environment and human civilizations. Volcanoes come in various shapes and sizes, classified broadly into three main types: stratovolcanoes, shield volcanoes, and cinder cone volcanoes. Stratovolcanoes, these are characterized by their steep slopes and explosive eruptions. The iconic Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount St. Helens in the United States are examples of stratovolcanoes. Shield volcanoes, with gentle slopes formed by fluid lava flows, shield volcanoes are often associated with non-explosive eruptions. Mauna Loa in Hawaii, one of the world's largest volcanoes, is a classic shield volcano. Cinder cone volcanoes. These smaller, cone-shaped volcanoes are built from ejected volcanic debris. Paracutan in Mexico is a well-known cinder cone volcano that appeared suddenly in 1943. Volcanoes are not confined to a specific region. They are distributed around the world, both on land and beneath the ocean's surface. The Pacific Ring of Fire, encircling the Pacific Ocean, is a particularly active zone with a high concentration of volcanoes. Other notable volcanic regions include the East African Rift, the Mediterranean, and the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Stratovolcanoes are often associated with explosive eruptions due to the high viscosity of their magma. These eruptions can result in ash clouds, pyroclastic flows, and volcanic mudslides, lahars, posing significant threats to nearby communities. Shield volcanoes typically experience effusive eruptions, where low-viscosity lava flows steadily. While less explosive, effusive eruptions can still impact local ecosystems, destroying vegetation and altering the landscape. Submarine volcanoes, found along mid-ocean ridges, contribute to the Earth's geothermal heat and the creation of new oceanic crust. These underwater eruptions can influence ocean chemistry and support unique ecosystems around hydrothermal vents. Human civilizations often thrive near volcanic regions due to the fertile soils created by volcanic activity. However, this proximity also exposes communities to potential hazards. Advances in monitoring technology, early warning systems, and predictive modeling have improved our ability to mitigate the impact of volcanic eruptions. Evacuation plans, hazard mapping, and community preparedness play vital roles in minimizing the loss of life and property. Several volcanic eruptions have left an indelible mark on history. Mount Vesuvius, 79 AD, the eruption that famously destroyed Pompeii and Herculaneum in ancient Rome. Krakatoa, 1883, the eruption in Indonesia that produced one of the loudest sounds ever recorded and had global climatic effects. Mount Tambora, 1815, the eruption in Indonesia that led to the year without a summer, in 1816, causing widespread crop failures. Eyjafjallajökull, 2010, the Icelandic eruption that disrupted air travel across Europe due to ash clouds. Volcanoes, with their awe-inspiring eruptions and profound geological impact, are integral to the Earth's dynamic processes. Understanding their behavior and implementing effective mitigation strategies are crucial steps in coexisting with these natural wonders. As we continue to explore and study volcanoes around the world, we gain valuable insights into the planet's past, present, and future. What are the different types of volcanoes, and where can they be found around the world? Volcanoes come in various types, including stratovolcanoes, shield volcanoes, and cinder cone volcanoes. They are distributed globally, with notable concentrations in the Pacific Ring of Fire, the East African Rift, the Mediterranean, and the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. How do explosive and effusive eruptions differ, and what are their respective impacts? Explosive eruptions, common in stratovolcanoes, involve highly viscous magma and can result in ash clouds, pyroclastic flows, and lahars. Effusive eruptions, often associated with shield volcanoes, feature low-viscosity lava flows that can impact local ecosystems by destroying vegetation and altering landscapes. What role do underwater volcanoes play, and how do they impact the ocean environment? Underwater volcanoes, found along mid-ocean ridges, contribute to geothermal heat and the creation of new oceanic crust. These eruptions can influence ocean chemistry and support unique ecosystems around hydrothermal vents. How have human civilizations adapted to living near volcanic regions, and what measures are in place to mitigate the impact of eruptions? Human civilizations often thrive near volcanoes due to fertile soils, but this proximity poses hazards. Advances in monitoring, early warning systems, evacuation plans, and community preparedness help mitigate the impact of volcanic eruptions. Can you provide examples of famous volcanic eruptions and their historical significance? Mount Vesuvius eruption in 79 AD famously destroyed Pompeii. The 1883 Krakatoa eruption had global climatic effects, and Mount Tambora's 1815 eruption caused the year without a summer. In 2010, Eyjafjallajökull's eruption in Iceland disrupted air travel across Europe due to ash clouds. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.